This is the Blackbird. The Blackbird is used during the one-man installation of the Ballantyne Gear Eveook non-penetrating fall protection system. During the installation process, the Blackbird will fall off the edge of the roof. To prevent it from hitting the ground, we're going to tie a rope to the Blackbird itself using the steel rod that's right here. The other end of the rope will be attached to the side of the ladder. This will cause the Blackbird to swing underneath the ladder whenever it falls off the roof instead of going to the ground. Now, to prepare the rope, we're going to use a figure 8 on a bite and a figure 8 follow through. The figure 8 on a bite will be used to attach to the ladder itself. The figure 8 follow through will be tied directly to the steel rod here. So now let's tie the figure 8 on a bite. To do so, I'm going to take about an arm's length worth of rope, and I'm going to tie the knot. Now, these knots, or to see these knots in more detail and be instructed on how to tie them, we have other videos for you to look at. I've got my figure 8 on a bite here, and I'm going to attach a nano beaner to it, which we'll use to attach to the ladder. I now have this side that I'm going to tie the figure 8 follow through on. Again, that was about an arm's length worth of rope. And I'm going to tie the first part of the figure 8 follow through. Now I'm going to tie it directly to this rod like I mentioned before. Again, with this knot, all I'm doing is following the rope around. Goes around, goes under, goes around again, and comes up. Tighten that up. And the Blackbird is now ready to be used. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you how it's used. But first I'm going to clip it to the side of my harness. I'm going to clip it to this gear loop right here from the top of the gear loop. First, I'm going to take this nano beaner and I'm going to hook it to the bottom end of this rod like so. Now, flip the nano beaner around so that the hook is on the top. Now I'm going to reach down and hook the top of the gear loop like I mentioned. It's hooked now. As you can see, it's hooked correctly. To take it off when I get to the top of the ladder, I'm just going to open the gate and lift up. And, of course, not lose this part. So let's drive right here, put this back on, and hook it on to the side of my strap. Okay, everything's hooked. I'm going to head up the ladder. Safety first, so I've got my fall arrestor. Hook on to keep me safe. Okay, got my Blackbird here. Unhook the nano beaner. Now I'm going to attach to the side of the ladder. Around right here. Now, when I attach my nano beaner to the cord like this, I'm creating a tie back. Do not use this for your own personal fall protection. But for a wedge or for a piece of foam, I think it's okay. install it, we're going to hold it from up here, line it up, and put it down. This will be supporting an Eveook on top of the roof. When the Eveook rolls up and off of the Blackbird will fall and swing under the ladder. To see more, we have videos of this installation process during an actual installation.